Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, look, look. There's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking. If you don't like those things, you better leave now. Run! Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. This is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest, most fascinating, most intriguing show on earth. Yes! Yes! Gotta learn to shield some shit. All right, brothers. Just fucking with you. Look, we got a great show today, brothers. Yes, obviously. You know, we're going to talk about it, so settle down. Don't worry, of course. Tron's network, new Sun network is coming. They got the launch date. And yes, we're going to talk about it. Justin Sun hinted, could there be a collaboration with Ethereum? What? Those motherfuckers. What? Yes, brothers. So we're going to look at that. Now we're going to get into the money talk, though. Bitcoin future surge. Bang! We're going to talk about that. Oh, and another surge. Chinese crypto OTC. How many people are Chinese in the world, brothers? How many? 1 in 5. 1 in 5. And apparently, well, these boys are here. They're coming. Oh, they're hungry. They're hungry. And, yes. There's been a surge, and we will talk about that. It's nice, some good, nice money talk to end the night with. So, you know how we do this, motherfuckers? Let's begin how we begin with a bang. Yes. And then a bang. And then a refresh. What are we at? So we're at 5224 right now. Actually, I just rebooted this computer about half an hour ago, so it's probably not going to go anywhere now. 5192. All right. All right, brothers. So let's do how we do. Top 10 of the day, brothers. The usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Stellar, Tether, and Cardano. Let's look at the moves. Looks like single digits up to single digits. Oh, yeah, let's talk about the money for a second. Yeah, so we seem to be in a nice little up, sort of a slight uptrend, right? Like, I'm not going to lie to you. I kind of thought we were going to consolidate around between 4, 8, and 5. I really didn't expect this to be above 5 personally, but now I'm going to read some stuff to you, and it's probably going to explain why we are seeing a gradual, more of a trending market rather than a consolidating market. All right, so we'll get to that when we get there, brothers. Bang! Look, look. What are we talking about? Oh, yes. Single digits up to single digits down, brothers. Yes, that's what's going down around these parts. A lot of single digits up and single digits down. A little bit, looks like a little bit more red than green, though, huh? Yeesh. Hold on. What was Bitcoin? Oh, Bitcoin did go down? Okay. All right. Let's look. Single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Single digits up to single digits down. Well, single digits up to single digits down. All right, let's look at what was on sale today, brothers. Bang! All right, top 10 losers of the day. Vest Chain, Maximine Coin, Dogecoin, Qcoin Shares, Loopring, Bytem, Walton Chain, Bitcoin Gold, Revain, and Aleph. All right, let's look who made money today. Bang! Fuck Repo. Look at this. Repo's charts are weird looking, man. That is one weird market there. Never seen something like that. It's just so violent, right? Violent price moves. All right, guys, top 10 earners of the day. Oh, wow. Oh, but bang, Repo, 83% today. All right, good for you. All right, sorry, guys. All right, guys, top 10 earners of the day. Repo, ABBC Coin, Wakey Chain, Nano, Tron, Raven Coin, Engine Coin, Aurora, Insight Chain, and DApp. All right, let's look at our total market caps and all the good stuff. the stuff I like. All right, so what do we got? Market cap of 179.3. So what were we at last week? Yeah, see? Oh! So we have added, and this is what I want to talk to you about. I was going to just discuss it when we got to the Chinese story, but fuck it. Let's just talk a little bit about it now. You see what's happening here, brothers? All right, so let me do this, and then let me show you something. Bang! Market cap, 179.3. Now, look at the volume, 55.5 billion, right? Let's just call it 55.5. Done. Well, it is 55.5, actually. All right. So what I'm trying to show you is this. Remember when the big surge in that, okay? Remember that? We were at $79 billion, right? That was last week on 4/3, April 3rd, right? We're at 79 billion, and then April 4th, we went to 82.3, right? So we were way up. And look how far down we are, right? We're at 85.5, right? Yeah, but do you notice something? Do you notice something? The market cap is up. So you guys understand what volume is, right? Like volume just represents how much action happened today, right? How much action happened today. Whether long or short, right? What matters, though, in terms of the money being here is how much of that money stayed in the market, right? Did guys come in here, get some nice profits, and then do some profit taking? Or do they stay? Well, my friends, I'm pleased to announce the money is staying with us. The money is staying with us, and we're growing steadily. We were at 174.5 on the 4th of this month. We're at 173.8, and right now we're at 174. So in terms of my bad. 174. Oh, and then we went up. Yes. See, that's why it's good I am writing this shit down to keep your mind right. Nice. Well, my mind right. That's how I like to look at it. So we're at 179.3. You see, the volume might be down, but the money has stayed in the market. The money has stayed in the market, which is excellent. And I'm going to show you why in just 1 second. All right, so, yes, let's begin. Yes, let's begin, shall we? Bang! Look. Tron announces Sun Network May launch date and reveals key phases for a distributed app chain. Yes, don't worry. They talk about the Ethereum thing in this thing. Do I have another article about that? Hold on. Nah. All right. Blockchain-based decentralized application platform, Tron, has revealed the expansion plan of its second-layer scalability solution, the Sun Network. According to a release published Monday, April 8th, the network's testnet will launch in late May. All right. We're going to skip a little bit of this. The Sun Network expansion plan includes developing DApp sidechains and cross-chain infrastructure. The second layer protocol is expected to increase the overall capacity of Tron's network while simultaneously allowing DApps to run with extremely low energy consumption and high security. During the first phase, which is scheduled to start on May 30th, Tron will focus on launching sidechain smart contracts. And I think this is where everyone got excited. Hold on, we'll get back there when we get there. Let me highlight this. Oh, whoops. Sorry, guys. Let me just highlight that, though. We'll get back here later. So the official launch of the Sun Network mainnet, which will further enhance the characteristics of decentralization and asset security, is set for August 10th. So August 10th, it sounds like when, well, that's what it says. The mainnet will go live. In mid-September, Tron plans to launch an optimization processes for improving the ease of using the network and facilitating easy deployment of the sidechains. On April 6th, Tron founder and CEO, all right, so here's the part. On April 6th, Tron founder and CEO Justin Sun had taken part in the Crypto Chick podcast, hinting that the Tron ecosystem will officially collaborate with Ethereum later this year without providing any further details. Oh, that son of a bitch. He always does that, right? Teases, right? He knows how to throw a good tease out there. Hodlers, been teased. That's an official teasing. All right. During the same podcast, Sun said that the Tron-based version of... Oh, yeah, this shit too. During the same podcast, Sun said that the Tron-based version of stablecoin Tether, the Tron version of Tether now, is set to launch on April 9th. Oh, today. Oh, it's 6:01 a.m. right now. I know, I got up a little late, man. We were drinking... here in America, we had the NCAA championship game. That's basketball. Those college. So if you're not from here, college basketball. It's the big thing. It was the big thing today. Well, yesterday. And so, well, you know where I live. So, you know how things can get, especially with the championship game. So I woke up about an hour. I woke up a little late. Won't be any trading tonight. Yes. Just talk to the brothers and back to bed. Look, brothers. Sometimes it's how it goes, brothers. Sometimes it's just how it goes. So, look at this. Yes, what did he say? That the Tron ecosystem will officially collaborate, hinting that the Tron ecosystem will officially collaborate with Ethereum later this year without providing further details. Yes. All right, okay, and so, the Tron-based version of Tether is set to launch on April 9th, today. He revealed that the Tron-based version of the stalwart stablecoin will permit cheaper and faster transactions than the Bitcoin-based Omni protocol version. All right. Earlier in April, the Tron Foundation had decided to ask developers, to remove gambling DApps from the Japanese market in order to comply with local regulations. As gambling is generally prohibited by the Japanese criminal code, the company urged local developers not to launch any such DApps on the company's platform. Yeah, so they're not gonna allow gambling on their thing. So look, that sidechain contracts thing, right? And what is it? Smart contracts, right? Yes, maybe there's going to be some collaboration with Ethereum with some smart contract business. You never know. He just teased it. He didn't really say anything, right? So, but that was the story today. Every side. Oh, of course it is. I mean, these guys are usually at each other's throats. Right? He's trying to, Vitalik, you're an ass. What do you know? We're going to kill Ethereum, right? And then Vitalik Buterin's always, you're a plagiarizer, So, well, when it comes to money, the only thing can happen, Kent. Look, brother, I got a good way for us to make some money. Why don't we just let bygones be bygone and make some billions? Sounds good to me, brother. Bang! Look! Yes. Bang! Now, this story, I bring this up because it shows the just the surge in interest. Does this help our money? No. But does it lend legitimacy? Fucking right it doesn't. Watch this shit. And what I want to show you right now is this story and the next one. There's been a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. A lot of money waiting for all those weak hands to leave the market, right? Like, look, dudes, I'm not, I know I tell you guys about weak hands and everything, and you're probably like, wow, man, how did he know that? Dude, what the stuff I'm telling you guys is basic shit. Like, it sounds all amazing to you guys because you're 9-to-5 guys, but yeah, dudes, everybody knows what I'm telling you guys. Like when I tell you guys about risk on, risk off, everybody knows that. I mean, market guys, we know that, right? So I guess what I'm trying to say to you is, yeah, guys, like what I'm telling you, the stuff I'm telling you is mainstream shit. Like when I tell you to buy blood reds, that's not, oh, that's some weird Shamari shit, man. This guy's a genius. Nah, man, everybody knows that. But the question is, do you have the balls to do it? Do you have the intestinal fortitude to do it? Bye. Yes, everybody knows. All right, all right, let me just get fueled a little bit and then we'll talk. Yes, I love when we get back to money talk, brothers, man. I mean, we had money talk last week, but that's because we made the money. That's good. But I like to hear more about our money that's coming. You know what I'm saying? Look, it's true. Bang, the trickle has begun. All right? There's a little flood water here right now, right? The water's up to our ankles right now, right? The water's up to our ankles right now, right? But that's it. It's just still the trickle. Oh, hey, wait till the tsunami, brothers. May, June, July, brothers. All right. Come on. Shemai, let's go. Talking away here. Oh, yeah, I just love talking money talk. Look, brothers. Bitcoin's recent bullish march had triggered price hikes for multiple tokens in the market. Exactly. And that's what's going to keep happening. As long as Bitcoin goes up, you know how we've talked about it here before. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. And so Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So a lot of this stuff is still coupled to Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin rises, and it's about to blast, brothers, this year, well, for the next 10 years, but the beginnings, right? We're at the very beginnings of the second raw, push. And this ain't no retail push. This is institutional push. Bang! Yes. Got you in my scope, son. And a crew with me. And, it's just going to be continual rising as more money enters this market. So watch this. Bitcoin's recent bullish march has triggered price. Oh, yeah. So that's what I was telling you. And so as Bitcoin goes up, it will drag other things up for now, right? Until the decoupling. Remember, I've taught you about decoupling. Once enough professionals get here, there will be a serious decoupling. And like I said, some projects that you might think are going to go good, yeesh, you're going to find out these boys ain't interested. And then some projects out here that no one's even looking at, bang, are going to blast off. Those sneaky little ones, which is the good stuff. Look, brothers. So, yeah, always keep an eye out. So the Bitcoin price surge seemed to have a domino effect on Bitcoin futures trading. And according to data released by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, Bitcoin futures traded over $560 million over the last week. The CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, that's basically, it's a real stock market. You know what I mean? It's like the CBOE or NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. Like, it's the real thing, Matty Greenspan, an eToro analyst, pointed out that the involvement of Wall Street could have a significant impact on the Bitcoin market now. He stated, even though Wall Street's contracts are only paper and not settled in Bitcoin, and that's what I'm going to talk about. So these are not physically settled futures. These are cash settled futures. Oh, I know. Me too. I feel the same way, but the fact that what I'm going to read you will show you something, all right? So I know, brothers, I know. Oh, late. And that's what I'm telling you, brothers. Wait till that back thing gets here. When back arrives with physically settled Bitcoin futures, look, and look again, my friend. Oh, my gosh. That's going to be later this year. Oh, brothers. That's all I can say. Look. So these are only paper, right? So let's get back to what this guy says. So, right, we're back over here. So even though Wall Street's contracts are only paper and not settled in Bitcoin, they are still a significant part of this market now. Very true. Now, I'm going to read this little tweet right here. The CME group, CME Bitcoin futures had a record trading day on April 4th, hitting an all-time high volume of 22,500 contracts, 112.7 thousand equivalent Bitcoin, surpassing previous record of over 18.3 thousand and 64.3 equivalent Bitcoin on February 19th. So they blew their own They blew their own records away big time, which is good. You know, the CBOE, they had the futures contract, and they shut their contracts down this year because they weren't having any business. The CME is the last one. Their futures contracts are still going strongly, as we just read. So the recorded trade by CME's Bitcoin futures came close to match the combined. Oh, yeah, and that's why I brought this one up, too. Listen to this. The recorded trade by CME's Bitcoin futures came close to match the combined volume of the top 10 exchanges, which garnered about $685 million. So the OTC exchanges, my bad, not OTC, spot market exchanges, us, you know, guys on the spot market, yeah. This one company, CME, well, the CME is not a company. I mean, it is, but it's more like a stock exchange type of thing, but it's for commodities. Yeah. They almost the combined volume of what? Of the top 10 exchanges, brothers. That shows huge interest. All right. So the CME Bitcoin futures also witnessed a record trading day when the exchange reached an all-time high of over 22,000 contracts, which is roughly equivalent to about, 112,000 Bitcoins. Yes, indeed. So this meant that even though the CME's contracts were always settled using cash, and Bitcoin did not necessarily change hands, the involvement of Wall Street could be as a significant part of the Bitcoin market. Exactly. So, again, Bitcoins didn't change hands. It was cash settled. But the fact that people were in there buying all those contracts, yeah, why are they buying those? Maybe they're just buying them because they can't get physically settled ones yet. Maybe they're just waiting for backed. Yeah. You know what I mean? The traded Bitcoin futures contracts would be ready for trading as early as next month. I don't understand. These guys fucked up. Like, what are they talking about? According to a report released by See It Market, the markets available for trading would be the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Russell 2000, and the Dow. I don't know what they're trying to say right there. That doesn't really make sense. Anyways, guys, the involvement of a major, like I said, these crypto sites, these aren't the sharpest knives in the drawer, if you know what I mean. So, the involvement of a major stock exchange in digital asset derivatives like Bitcoin futures indicates the growth of crypto industry in terms of liquidity. And this is the part that I love about this story, and comprehensive legitimization of the sphere. Legitimization. Yes. These aren't physically settled. We're not making money off them. But the fact that all that volume, what? The CME had the volume of the top 10 exchanges? Holy, that shows you money is on the sidelines. That shows you money has been pent up. What do you think's been going down? Everybody's been waiting for the bottom. Everybody's been waiting for the bottom. We hit it. When we got to Bitcoin at $3,100, that was the bottom. And now, there are no more weak hands. There is no more anyone to run away. So prices, look, when I was a kid, look, guys, I'm 44 years. Oh, I'm 45. My birthday was 2 days ago, April 7th. I'm actually 45 this year. And so, I was around for the dot-com bubble. Yeah. And the rise of dot-com, and it became a bubble afterwards. And yeah, that lasted, 8 years? From 1992 till 2000. Boom! Right? If you're my age, you remember. Right? Just every story. Right? You turn on CNN, just, look at your 401k. Blah, blah, blah. It was a frenzy. Every single person in America was just making all this money. And that's what I'm saying is about to happen here. By next year, this time, every single fucking day in the news for about the next 8 years, you're just going to hear, the price of Bitcoin's up. The price of this. Frenzy. Remember 2017 when the retail bubble happened? Yeah, look at how that frenzy went. Look, this is institutional money, brothers. Yeah, this is a whole other level of what's about to come up in this place, right? And so, just be prepared. For the next 8-10 years, we're just going to be hearing, oh, the price is up again. The price is up again. The price is up again. Yeah, rising for years and years and years to come. Not just a one-year thing and then weekends running. These guys are in it for the long haul. I mean, they're about to take the place over is really what they're doing. So, yes, brothers. Yes, get ready to get paid. Get your large caps now while you can. Get them. Get them. Everything you can afford. Every penny you can scrape together. Yes, all right. And now, bang! Yeah. Now this is money that... Oh, my bad. Hold on. All right. Here's some more money coming in the market. And these guys are OTCing like motherfuckers. So look. Chinese traders pay extra for Bitcoin through OTC desks amid crypto market surge. So, as you guys know, OTC, well, usually you're supposed to be getting the stuff cheaper. Well, let's see what the Chinese are up to. Bitcoin's price surge last week has led Chinese traders not only to return to trading, but pay a premium for doing so. Yes. What are we about to make these sons of bitches do, brothers? What I always tell you. Yeah, they're coming here to pay a premium, boy. Look here, boy. Bang, you think you're just going to come over here and just get my shit and just buy my cryptocurrency warehouse for cheap? No, my friend. We're going to make these sons of bitches pay a fat premium. Yes, brothers. Look. Shmari needs a new house. You got to have to pay that fat premium, boy. Look. Hold on. Yes, brothers. Yes. Oh, they will. They have the money. They don't care. Because all they're going to do is buy it from you and then make another motherfucker pay them the next premium. Yeah, that's how it goes. But as long as we make ours, well, I don't care what you do with it after that. Now it's yours, buddy. So look. Bitcoin's price surge last week has led Chinese traders not only to return to trading, but pay a premium for doing so. Social media-based news account CN Ledger reported on April 7th. Reproducing price spreads from cryptocurrency exchanges Huobi and OKX, CN Ledger revealed an increasingly common practice among Chinese traders who wish to acquire Bitcoin. Since China formally banned cryptocurrency trading in 2017, investors have had few options. So this is how they have to do it over in China. Purchasing stablecoins such as Tether via over-the-counter services and converting them to other cryptocurrencies has become the principal method. It's how they get their crypto. They have to buy Tether first, OTC, and then they go get their goods. Now in the wake of a bullish week for Bitcoin, which saw BTC USD advance by over $1,000, prices for OTC services have steadily risen in CNY terms, Chinese yuan terms, marking an increase in demand. Right? When you can raise the prices of something, it means people want it more. Chinese markets, and this is what we love, brothers. How many people? I know. Holy schmo, you always fucking say this. Look! 1 in 5 people on earth are Chinese, brothers. Oh, and BDM, you sent me something about the Chinese. We're going to talk about that in a second when we do shout-outs and airdrops. Yes! 1 in 5, brothers. I can't express enough the importance of the Indians and the Chinese getting here. Yes, the Americans, the Europeans, and the Brits, yes, we've really got the money. That's where the full money comes. But when it comes to like, the retail part, if you can have the average Chinese or the average Indian, all that mass adoption shit you guys want, right? Yeah, well, if you can convince the average Chinese and the average Indian, look. That's some stupid shit right there. Consider the numbers. It's retarded. That's almost half of Earth. Now, obviously, that's not going to happen like that, but it doesn't have to be all of them. If you could just get half the Chinese and half the Indians to be down, we are good to go. All right. All right, let's get back to China, though, brothers. Chinese markets reveal strong buys. Where were we? One second here. Something's going on with my computer. What's going on here? All right. Well, Chinese markets reveal strong buys. The resource summarized. The tweet stated, OTC, over-the-counter trades, the almost only way to buy Bitcoin with fiat in China, showing considerable cash premium. 1 USDT equals 7 Chinese yuan over the official rate of 1 USD equals 6.7 Chinese yuan. So you see what they're saying? They're saying that the OTC guys are charging these guys 7, even though USDT tethers a stable coin, they're charging them 7 Chinese yuan worth of USDT rather than 6.7. So that's a 0.3 difference. Now, you know, that might not sound like a big deal, but when you're buying 1,000 Bitcoin, that's some money right there. You see what I'm saying? That's the premium they're paying. They're paying extra. You know, they should only be paying 6.7, but they're paying 7. The buoyant mood among Chinese investors contrasts with the ongoing clampdown on cryptocurrency-related activities in the country. Yes, we've talked about this before. As Cointelegraph reported, this is extended to anything construed as propaganda, while associated instruments such as ICOs are also outlawed. By contrast, authorities continue to advocate the development of blockchain technology, both within the state and private sector. Last week, Beijing approved almost 200 firms. Remember, we read it? The 197 companies, blockchain companies that got official approval. VeChain was one of them. Bang! Stamp of approval, baby. Whew. As parts of new plans to register blockchain service providers. Exactly. That's what you're invested in, not coins. You're invested in what? Blockchain service providers. All right, brothers? Blockchain service providers. How's it going to make money if the coin's not being used? The product isn't the coin. The product is the blockchain, my brother. Look. Previously, it was reported that China, in fact, has more blockchain-related projects underway than any other country worldwide, and that's true. Well, China has been for blockchain since 2014. Even I heard that. I knew about that part, and that's why I didn't really invest in Bitcoin, because the Chinese were like, yo, fuck this tokenized thing, but we want the blockchains, and I was like, oh, well, yeah, I didn't believe it would grow to this. And anyway, who cares? I'm here now, so bang. And they also have the largest number of blockchain patents, China. So, bang. Yeah, the China OTC market is kicking ass. And what's beautiful about that is, what does that tell you? When a man is willing to pay, I mean, I don't know the percentage, what that percent would be, but when a man is willing to pay 7, when he knows he only should be paying 6.7. What does that tell you? What is the mentality? Bullish. They're bullish on the market. Obviously, if you're willing to pay extra, you're saying, well, I believe that this coin's going to go up. Cover that spread that I have to pay and make me more. Do you see what I'm saying? So the Chinese are bullish. I mean, at least these boys are. Yes. They're bullish. So good sign. Very good sign. A nice bullish, like I said, man, if you're willing to pay extra, you're like, look, just give me this thing. That shows you what they're thinking. Just give it to me. Damn it. How much extra? Fuck it. Take it. That's a very bullish sign and positive for the market. Like I said, like we talk about, like I always preach around here. It's nothing to preach about. It's the truth. 1 in 5 people on earth are Chinese. So if they're bullish, well, you can damn well be sure. Be bullish on crypto. So, brothers, let's get shout-outs and airdrops. Bang! All right, what we got? Oh, this guy sent this just now. All right, so first is shout-outs. What we got? Marina Giant The giant health event takes place on October 15th, 29 and accelerates innovation in healthcare. London event. All right, from London. All right. Marina Giant. See you, brother. Bang. Miriam. This guy's sending all sorts of good shit. Look, guys, man. You know what? I always forget to do this. Let's do this right here like this. Guys, you know there's a Twitter for this thing, right? Wait. Let me get the camera right. Get the right camera. Bang. I never use this camera, but it is always here. Go to this. At CB Newswire is Twitter. And look, man, if you've got some sort of article or whatever, you want to show me something, just tweet it to me. I read that stuff. I read all that stuff, man. Last year, November, half the stories were just from what you guys sent me, to tell you the truth. Right? Last November was weird. It was like everyone was sending me stuff. And so, yeah, man. Look, if I don't talk about your crypto on here, it's not that I don't mean to. Let me put it this way. If you have a story about some working product, some revenue generating something, and you want me to talk about it, send it to me. And I'll fucking talk about it, all right? As long as it's revenue generating. Don't give me any bullshit white papers and all that. I'm not going to do that, but I'm not going to I don't encourage that behavior, but yeah, man, send me shit. All right, guys? So, BNM, Gazai, and so look what he said. He said, look. He said the key coin is making huge moves. Yes. One of the investors is EBAO Net, Healthcare Information Technology. All right. The key fund is dedicated to development and applications of blockchain technologies and social insurance services. 1 in 5 are Chinese. Bang. Is this the Chinese company? Is that what you're trying to say, brother? Bang. All right. Well, great. I mean, it must be good news. Look at all these little yellow guys doing that. That's from that movie with the yellow guys. All right. Look. TP Entertainment. See you, brother. Bang. Son of a bitch. Bang. Bang. Yes. I gave him some rapid fire right there. Love you, brother. Bang. Edwin. Bang. Love you, brother. Oh, Poppy. What the shit? Some sort of, is this real or did you just make this? Because Poppy he's an artistic kind of guy. So I don't know if he made this or if this is a real drink out there. I guess I could have Googled it and found out. But it looks like it says something about creatine on the top or something. So like it's some sort of health drink. Maybe it's real. But it's called Bang. The December 31st, 2020 party. Maybe we'll have a couple cases of this shit. We'll mix it with the vodka. Look. Why not? Fuck it. As long as it tastes good. Dino. Yes, this is the new brother from the Netherlands, man. Bang. Ronkus brought him. Love you, brother. Radster. Bang. Love you, brother. What's her? Oh, now she's just Blockchain Stallion. You guys keep changing your names and your pictures and shit all the time, huh? Blockchain Stallion. See you, girl. Kyla was her name. Oliver. Bang. Love you. Van Breeden. Yes. I don't really know what to say anymore. His mom knows he's making money. Michelle. I have been looking at the computer. You seem to be making very, very good money, Michelle. I already said this one. You're my favorite son. I got to think of a new one for Mrs. Van Breeden. Look, but Van Breeden. And we'll move on from here. I got to think of something new to say. Because she knows the money now. She's not asking him what the hell he's doing down there. You know what I hate? Like I said, she's bringing him plates of chicken and rice now. Yeah, it's good old Mrs. Van Breeden. She knows now. Yeah, I guess I gotta pick on someone else's mom or something. Look, brothers. Market maker technology. The first professional market maker of cryptocurrency market. Oh, these guys are going to make a market. Oh, that's interesting. And you're following me, buddy? Or at least you watch this show. Bang, market makers. They provide liquidity. Liquidity providers, you can call it that. Plutus Wallet. Plutus Wallet. The smart and friendly crypto assets portfolio simulator. Available on Google Play. Yes. Bang, see you, brother. WPC. Well, all right. See you, brother. Whatever that is. What does that say? Oh, worldpeace.com. Yes, that's a... Do you know that... That's funny that you meant that I mentioned that, or that's your name. Do you know that there has never been one day of world peace on Earth? Yeah, there's never been one day where the whole Earth has been at total peace. There's been an average of 22 conflicts happening on Earth every single day since the beginning of when we can get like recorded history. Yeah, that's a fucked up stat, huh? 22 conflicts somewhere are going on an average every single day. There's never once has there just been one day of world peace. It's pretty wild, huh? Check that shit out. All right. Yeah. That's how it goes. Humans aren't so bright. Ken Tamorello. Tomari. Bang. See you, brother. There's Sweetie. Bang. Stallion. Indeed. Xena. See you, girl. On a Poppy's crew. All right, guys. So that's about it. That is about that. Let's get you back to your wives. Bang. And lives. Bang. All right, brother. So, great day today. Great day today. Here comes Tron. my brain, I was like, I was going to say sun or Tron, and Tron it got squeezed. All right, here comes. All right, I'm being silly, brothers. Look, here comes Justin Sun with the new Sun Network. And then that big thing. Well, the Sun Network thing is the big thing. That's the for sure thing. And that's going to expand. We read about it last week. That's going to, the second layer of Tron Network, and it's going to expand transactions a second, and distributed app developers are really going to have a good time on it. But what the tantalizing piece was, is there a collaboration with Ethereum coming about? Could be interesting. Obviously, we'll keep our eyes open on that. Now, BTC, Bitcoin futures surge. Now, yes, they weren't physically settled. I know. Why do you think I felt? I was reading it too, and then it was like, well, I was like, oh. I know. But the point is, though, I mean, if you're ready to buy it like that, well, once Backed gets here, well, another physically settled. I mean, there's going to be more physically settled shit. It's not like Backed is going to be the only one in the world. Fuck, the Brits are coming. Everyone's coming. So there's going to be hundreds of physically settled Bitcoin futures, down the road. But, yeah. But what it does show is just that, yeah, guys are ready to gobble up futures. Guys are ready to gobble them up. They want them. They're ready. They're hungry. The money's been sitting on the sidelines. Yeah, just waiting to get in, waiting for the bottom. I mean, if you're like a guy like me, there's a bottom, right? I mean, that's what I've been preaching you. Flipping, the whole time the show's been on, right? Like, don't worry, right? And so we found the bottom. We just left the bottom, which was $3,100 of Bitcoin. Now we're on the way up. Now we're not going back down. Like I said, I was alive for the .com bubble. Yeah, for the next 8 years, brothers. Just strap yourself in for the next 8 years. Buy yourself enough stuff to build your cryptocurrency warehouse big enough so that you can take out a bunch of money and be comfortable in your lifestyle, whatever it is. Pay your bills, pay your this, pay your house, your mortgage, your car, your whatever. And then, but still have more in there because it's still going to be rising, right? And you can just live off that shit for a good long time, right? All right. And then, yep, here come the Chinese. Yes, 1 in 5, baby. 1 in 5 are Chinese in this world. And their big whales are OTCing it, and they don't give a fuck about paying a little extra money. That shows you the bullish nature. That shows you the bullish mindset. They're like, look, how much more do you want me to pay? Fine. That's like when the housing crash happened, Japan, so it becomes risk off. So everyone, bang, they go buy Japanese, Swiss, and American bonds, right? So the Japanese were like, stop buying our fucking bonds because it drives up the prices of yen. And the Japanese don't like a strong yen because they export everything, right? And so when their yen is stronger, well, people buy less, right? And so they were like, fuck all this, stop buying our fucking bonds. And you know what the Japanese did? They had negative interest rates on their bonds. You know what a bond is, right? You're lending the government money, and then the government pays you back later with interest, right? You're the bank to the government. Yeah, Japan was like, fuck this shit. Look, assholes, we're going to have negative interest rates. You're going to pay us to lend us money. Imagine I paid you to lend you money. Like I said, hey, Bob or Johnny, whatever your name is, do you mind if I lend you this $100? And you were like, well, I'm only going to take it, but, you know, I'm going to charge you $5 to lend that to me. And I was like, all right, well, here's 105. That's how it was. And that's how these Chinese guys are right now. They don't give a fuck about the price. They don't give a fuck. They're like, what, 0.3 extra? What did we read? Yeah, it was 0.3 extra. They're like, fine. We'll do it. We'll do it. Yo, that Japanese thing was funny. The Japanese, yeah, man. That housing crash, man. It made the yen so powerful. Well, I told you. That's how I made all that money that day, right? Anyway, okay, guys. Fuck. So, let's stop talking about all that. So, yeah. OTC surge, meaning money's coming in. When they're willing to pay extra, well, that's a bullish sentiment like a motherfucker. So, bang, brothers. So, guys, let's chill and kill. Let's get back to Wives Live. Bang. Press the star. It's got subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notifications when this award-winning, grand, amazing show comes on. And guys, I love you. You know, my name's Shamar Clark. I love doing this. Bang. This is my favorite time of my day. I love talking money. Love talking crypto. I love keeping our eyes on our money. And our money is coming in nice. And with those Chinese coming in, it's coming in nice. Yes. So, brothers, I'll see you tomorrow. Bang. As for now, bang. This is Shamar Clark. I'm always on duty. Yes, indeed. Over and out, my brothers. Over and out.